Sorry.
Hi guys, Coach Tommi, Coach Hedi here. We have another reaction video. Oh, that's why you took the blanket. Okay, now you're gonna choke me with that one.
Survival, we're going to go over
all the
how to
attacks
fight
being
with a
again.
shemagh.
Attack.
And a shemagh is a very
Attack or not
versatile
attacking.
item.
And I have a soft blanket.
Basically, what you're going to do is you're going to need to wrap your shemagh up very tight, then wrap around your hands. And with this, you can still, punch.
It might be a little bit too thick, but let's see. And now you have the padding, so it's not gonna hurt me perhaps so much when you hit me.
Punch. So basically what we're going to do is somebody punches at you, you're going to block with your the same side hand as them, getting them out of the way.
And stop.
Pushing their hand
Wait.
away with the opposite hand, pushing them away, and then wrapping around.
I try to be a good attacker now.
Okay, and I go bomb, and now I push, and now I put
Now you hit me to the nose.
because I couldn't reach.
That was the best part of it. And I tried to be the good attacker, posing here.
Sorry.
Obviously, if you did not find the sarcasm in my being here, stationary position, the thing was that if you are now attacking from here, this is gonna be a huge problem because the attack is not gonna stop there. Let's say that you give me something else to think. So if you block first, you kick me to the groin, let's say, and now you do that. Now there's something else for me to think about. And now you cover me in blankets, which is very good in self-defense and it looks good in the court of law.
So punch, block, you can strike, wrap around, and you have them here, and you could flip around like this or this way, and essentially throw them if they were smaller.
Issue with this one, I would say so that I would start practicing from how to take the person down from somewhere if I'm being the aggressor and you have
And
something
from
like
behind.
that and you come from behind, you do this and you take me down from here like a typical military sentry takedown technique. If the situation requires it, you have to stop somebody from being like that.
Or if you're in a fight, it could be, okay, I'm gonna take this. But if it's somebody attacking you on the street, you don't have any time to, oh, wait a minute, I'll take my scarf.
That could be something that, in a fighter show, somebody, cracks a bottle and you start doing something like this, using that garment to actually, enforce your own hand from getting caught or something like this. So what's the conclusion? There's a lot of wonderful and miraculous things in the world. Not saying that it will not work, I would just start from someplace else. When you are training self-defense or combat, stuff, always think about the attacker's motion. That if the attacks are like this, and I'm waiting here, and now you have all the time in the world to start doing all this hocus pocus stuff. I'm acting like an attacker, I'm doing this, I'm doing that. That's when you start to see that what is actually feasible. As you saw, we were not doing this very, very fast. We were just playing around.
Also, you didn't use a knife.
Now that you pointed it out, now you have to take this knife away from me by using that.
Let me try in the next video. Hit like and subscribe.